Are you dreaming of studying in the United States on a fully funded scholarship? The Fulbright Foreign Student Program, administered by United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan. It is one of the most prestigious opportunities for Pakistani students pursuing master's and PhD degrees. Every year, Fulbright selects exceptional Pakistani students to study at top US universities, completely free of cost. This scholarship is globally renowned for its commitment to cultural exchange, academic excellence, and leadership development. The best part? Pakistan has a dedicated quota and a long-standing partnership with the US for this program. So if you're a strong academic performer with clear goals, this is one of the most achievable pathways to a world-class graduate education. Here's what you need to do to apply: a strong academic record, a 4-year bachelor's degree or equivalent, relevant work or research experience for a certain field, and a competitive GRE score. The selection committee looks for clarity of purpose, leadership potential, and a commitment to returning and serving Pakistan. The application process is detailed but straightforward. You'll submit academic transcripts, essays, recommendation letters, GRE scores, and a clear study objective. USEFP provides complete guidelines on their official website, so you never have to guess.